Hey dolls, welcome back to your girl's channel. So today I thought I'd do a look that is beginner friendly. I didn't use a lot of products to get this look, especially my eyeshadow. I used 3 shades, yes, 3 shades, and I got this smoky eye look. If you dolls want to see how this look was done, then you know what to do. Carry on watching. Don't forget to press that subscribe button because I'm going to be coming with some fire, some heat for you lot, okay? So press the subscribe button. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Give me a like, you know how it goes. And I will catch you dolls in my next post. Hey dolls, I'm back with another look for you guys. So I want to do something that is beginner friendly but is also popping. So I'm going to do a smoky, dark, black and brown eye tutorial for you guys today, and I think this would be good for my beginner dolls because I'm not going to use a lot of different products, and I think that it will be easy for you guys to follow. So let's get started. I'm going to be using the Morphe palette for this look. I'm going to go in with my Makeup Academy primer oil. Just going to put a couple drops. I'm going to go in with my liquid gold illuminator. Add a little bit of this in the areas that I want to glow. I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I found this NARS foundation. This is in colour Syracuse. Blend this foundation in. Okay dolls, the foundation is on. We are going to move on to concealer and contour. I'm going to go in with my MAC NC42 concealer. So we're going to use that first. Going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Tawny. I'm going to just add that on top of the other concealer. We're going to blend it all out together anyway, so I prefer doing it this way instead of just putting it on, blending each step. Sometimes it's good to do that if I'm bothered or in the mood. I'm going to get my NYX concealer in Cocoa, and I'm going to use that as my contour. Get my brush, and I'm going to just start blending this out. I'm starting with the concealer first. I'm going to get my other brush, and I'm going to contour my face, and I'm going to blend in this contour. So I'm going to go in with my lightest concealer, and that's my HG concealer from NYX. This is in Beige, I think. Beige. And it's hella beige. That's why I love it. Cleaning my brush. Okay guys, so now I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm going to use the lace setting powder, and I'm just going to set this face, and I'm also going to bronze with my Hoola bronzer. I'm going to use that, my fave. I love the Hoola bronzer. Do you guys like it? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of it. I'm going to go in with my lace setting powder. And just sort of stamping that in. Give me a little moon, or should I say clouds. I'm also going to go in with some Sacha Buttercup powder as well. And I like that yellowness that this adds. So I'm going to get my Hoola bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up the areas that I contoured. Eyebrows time. We're going to start off with the Helen E fixing gel. I'm going to pop that on my brows. Going to get a spoolie, and I'm just going to brush my brows upwards like so. Space them out. That is the trick, okay? When you space out your brows, get the illusion of having a lot more. So I'm going to follow this up by using my Anastasia Beverly Hills pot in colour chocolate, and I'm literally just going to follow my eyebrows, and I'm using an angled brow brush as well to do this. And it's cool if you make a mistake because you always have your best friend, the concealer, to neaten up the area that you made a mistake in. So don't trip. So normally I would use a concealer after I do my brows, but you guys know that I've just been using my PLouise base because I'm going to use it to prime my eyelids. I've just been using that to correct my brows. We are going to be using the Fierce by Nature 3503 palette to get this look. I'm going to use Smoked Out, which is the darkest shade in the palette, which is the black. Then we are going to use a Major Hottie, this shade, and Stamina is this shade. Okay, so I'm just giving you 3 shades, dolls, 3 shades to work with. So this is why I'm saying this is a good beginner's look if you want to get that smoky eye. So my eyelids are primed, my brows are done. We're just going to get straight into this eye look, quick and easy. Okay, so I'm going to grab a blending brush and I'm going to go into Major Hottie first. Ooh, it's quite deep. You just need to blend and blend and blend. Once you blend it down, it looks brown. So I think I'm going to just use a lighter shade of orange. Or maybe I can get away with using 2 shades. Maybe. I'm going to try a little bit of Ferocious, which is this shade here. Just to lighten it up. I'm just going to go back into Major Hottie. So now I'm going to go in to Smoked Out, and that's exactly what I want to do with this look, is smoke it out. So I'm just going to go in with this dark shade and I'm just going to blend it upwards and basically all over the lid. So you've got to mix it with the brown and the light orange that I've already put on my lids. You've got to get that smoky look, you have to start mixing them together. And I'm kind of doing circular motions going upwards. And I'm going to go into Ferocious, which is the lightest colour. So dolls, I have finished the eyeshadow look basically. It's basically done. This is more for the dolls that are just starting out and they want to get that smoky look. It could be a night out or something like that. You just want to get that smoky look and you can never go wrong with a gorgeous smoky look. It's just always the right choice. So I've used 3 shades. I would suggest using a brown or an orange or burgundy to mix with the black so that you can blend the black out and smoke it out. So I'm pretty happy with how this looks so far. I'm going to do my under eye and I'm going to add a tear duct. I might add a little elevation because you know I love elevation of a look, so that's probably going to happen as well, and then the look will be done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do my under eye lashes. Before I do my under eye, I'm going to add my eyelash glue because I want it to get real tacky. I'm going to go in with Smoked Out. I'm going to put some mascara on my lashes so that they're ready for the falsies. And to give my falsies enough time to dry, I'm just going to go ahead and do my bottom lash line with mascara as well. The eyelash glue should be sticky and ready for my lashes. I'm going to just pop that on. I say these eyelashes are extra as fuck. I'm going to put a little tear duct action. So I know I said I'm going to just be simple with it. I have. I've showed you the simple way of getting a smoky eye with 3 shades. I just love elevating a look. So I'm using the number 13 shimmer pigment from Helen Cosmetics, and I must say I love their little shimmers. Yeah, I haven't really used it much, but I do know that it's really nice. So this is number 13, so I'm just adding that here. So as I said, dolls, I've used 3 shades to create this look. If you want to leave it there, leave it there. I just want to just add a little bit extra for the extra girls, the extra dolls like me. So I'm just adding a little something here. I think you could use any highlighter to do this, or any metallic-y shade that you have, you can use as well. And that is the look, guys. Elevation, elevation. I'm going to set my face, I'm going to highlight, blush, and it's a wrap. So I'm going to blush with the Pincho Peach blush from MAC. I am going to highlight with that same shimmer pigment, number 13 from Helen E Cosmetics. Yes. Lips. We all know a nude lip would bang with this look. That's probably what I would normally wear. If I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna do a smoky eye, I'd more than likely have a nude lip. But I'm going to go with a red look today. This one's for the club, ladies. This look is for the club. Nude look could be for like dinner with your bae, but this one is definitely for the clubs. Okay, so this lipstick is from Rumour London. It's a really nice red. It smells like berries. It smells gorgeous. Yeah. Oh, loving it. Right, so I will be back, dolls. I'm gonna get my hair sorted. My face is beat and I am loving it. So dolls, I'm done. What do you think of this look? I really love this look. As I said, it is a beginner friendly look. I did use 3 shades. All I did to add a little elevation was just add a little bit of highlight to the tear ducts and to my brow highlight, and I just think just adding that alone has just elevated the look totally. So yeah, it's for my beginner dolls, but my beginner dolls like a little bit of extraness, a little bit of pizzazz as well, so why not? Why not? But you could have left that bit out. That bit was not needed, because once you add the lashes, it's fire. Thank you dolls so much for watching this look. I really appreciate it. Please like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you dolls in my next post.